The Council of Education Ministers had a meeting today, and that's the Minister and the Deputy Minister as well as the MECs for Education from all 9 provinces. And in that meeting, 5 reports were presented. The reports looked at key areas that are affecting the basic education sector in this environment of COVID-19. After the reports were considered and discussions ensued for 4 hours, a decision was taken that not all the grades should go back to school as initially planned as per the Government Gazette, which was issued and published by the Minister on the 29th of June. A decision was taken to allow only 3 grades to go back to school, and it's grade R, grade 6, and grade 11. But in addition to that, plans to open special schools would proceed. What is important for public ordinary schools is that only grade R, grade 6 and grade 11 will go back to school on Monday, the 6th of July. The Minister will have a media briefing at the weekend to provide details on the plans, on how the rest of the grades will be phased in. But what is important is that I urge you to stay safe. Please make sure that you comply with all the requirements. You wear your mask at all times in public places, restrict contact with people. If it's not necessary, don't meet people. But keep physical distancing at all times. Wash your hands and sanitize and stay safe. It's very important. Safety is paramount in everything that we do. So let's beat the coronavirus together. Let's just comply with the requirements. And thank you.